So normally when I come down to Florida, because it's cheap, I usually get a two-bedroom, like, suite, like condo type suite at a hotel, because it usually only ends up being $300 or $400. That way I can have any friends over, anything like that. Vacation Villages did a little different this time. So this is my bedroom. Little vanity area with a nice little closet. Bathroom, nice and big. Gotta need that. Nice kitchen. Pardon the mess. I am cooking right now. A beautiful little living room area with a nice big sectional. Little balcony out here. Super duper cute. And this is what I was expecting, just with a second bedroom. But instead, you go into this little area, which isn't even the hallway yet. This is still part of my room. And then you go into the other room, where there's another living room, another balcony. Super cute. That one's nice and relaxing. And you can see a little more on this one. Another kitchen, which I'm not using as much. This one's just kind of chilling. Another bathroom. Like another good sized bathroom. Another vanity area, another closet, another bedroom. Like, I am one person. Why? I'm not complaining, but like, why?